Wisteria is a plant that needs to suffer to produce nice flowers. You'll have to prune severely to get the best results. Before the pruning itself, eliminate old or damaged branches, as well as those touching or crossing each other. Doing so will keep diseases from spreading and give the wisteria some breathing room. Remove less vigorous branches so that the sap may focus on more promising branches, thus producing nicer flowers. On each secondary branch, count 2 to 3 eyes from the scaffold branch. Cut slantwise so rainwater runs off from the cut mark, otherwise the bud might rot or freeze. Prune your fruiting branches depending on where the bud is placed. If the bud is facing inwards, your shoot will grow into the tree and vice versa.